Hello, in this video I'm talking about simplifying algebraic fractions, and obviously you can have quite easy ones where it's, need to actually get a pen, 12a over a and sort of cancelling the a's, and I think I've done another video on sort of simplifying by dividing like that, but algebraic fractions usually means that there's quite a lot of algebra going on, quite complex little polynomial expressions, and simplifying them is all about factorising. And here I've got three examples. Sometimes if your exam paper is kind, you might get an example where you've got something on the top, maybe this one like, x squared minus x minus 12, and on the bottom you've got a double bracket. If you've got a double bracket already, and there's no adding or anything like that, just a double bracket, obviously adding inside the brackets, but that's okay, then don't expand it, because the whole point of this, in order to cancel it, we're not going to be able to cancel anything unless we factorise it into brackets. And then the whole brackets will cancel if they will cancel. So I see that a lot, they sort of reduce it by a mark to sort of, balance their exam paper, I guess, and factorise that bit for you. And all you have to do is factorise the top and then cancel. But people expand this and then get lost. It's the other way around, so just be careful. But it looks like in each of these I need to do the factorising, so never mind. In the first example, I've already got this is as factorised as it can be. It almost looks like it's going to cancel with one of the bits on the top. So let's see what the top factorises as. So we know that we're going to get an x times an x. And there's two ways to get 6, 1 times 6 or 2 times 3. But it's 2 times 3 that's going to give me minus 1 if I make the 3 minus and the 2 positive. And oh, look at that. The x minus 3 on the bottom cancels with the x minus 3 on the top, and the answer is just x plus 2. When you are looking at these, don't forget that it's not all about double brackets. You've got to do the first job, which is to check for common factors, and actually this top one is exactly that. Look, it's 2x bracket x plus 2. That's the first one factorised. And then the bottom needs to factorise as well, and so this is going to be x times x. There's only one way to make 2, which is 2 times 1. Well, 1 times 2, but multiplication is commutative, of course. And they're both positive, and plus 2 plus 1 does indeed make 3. And oh, look, again, the whole bracket cancels, and the answer is 2x over x plus 1. And the final example, again, it's just an exercise in factorising. This time they're both double brackets. This top one, well, 1 times 12, 2 times 6 and 3 times 4. As we want minus 1, we best use the 3 times 4. So it's going to be x minus 4 and x plus 3 to give minus 1. And for the next one we need 8, so that's 1 times 8 or 2 times 4. And it's the 2 times 4 that will give us 2. So it's going to be x minus 4 and x plus 2 in order to give us the minus 2x there. And once again, you can see when it's now in this form, the whole brackets now cancel, and the answer is x plus 3 over x plus 2. I'd like to say it's as simple as that, but actually, factorising these quadratics, not actually that simple. If you're not very happy with doing those, then I have made other videos. Well, I think I have. Can't remember now. If I haven't, let me know, and I will do, about how to factorise them. And you can use your calculator to give you a bit of a hint if you've got a calculator with an equation solving mode like this, where it will solve polynomials, and you just write in what they are, and it gives you the solutions, and you can work back from the solutions to fill in the brackets. Anyway, assuming you can do that, then you need to just remember that simplifying algebraic fractions is about factorising and then cancelling the terms if they're in top and bottom. I'll leave it there, but if you have any questions, you can pop them in the comments down below. But otherwise, cheerio.